Welcome to the Affinity Designer course. My name is Phil Ebner, and I've partnered with Jeremy to create this course for you. Go ahead and feel free to jump into the course. If you're brand new to Affinity Designer, we walk you through everything you need to get started. In the next few lessons, Jeremy's going to dive right into Affinity Designer. He's going to show you the power of using vector-based art, and then he's going to dive into creating shapes and lines in Designer. In the following sections, we'll back up, walk through the entire program, and by the end of this class, you should feel confident using this amazing tool.
I took everything in this course that I wish I had learned when I started with Affinity Designer, and we crammed it into 10 plus hours of projects that actually move you forward. So I'm super excited to be your instructor. I'm super excited to have a lot of fun in this course. I can take you from knowing very, very little, if even how to turn a computer on, into being able to create the projects that you have in your head that will change your world.
Jeremy and I are trying to make this the hands down best Affinity Designer course on the market, and we can only do that with your help. So if there's anything that we didn't touch upon, if there's anything we can make better about this course, just let us know. We always love hearing from students like you. So I'm going to pass it over to Jeremy, who will walk you through using Affinity Designer.
I'm super excited to be here. We're going to have a ton of fun during this course. Let's go ahead and get into it.